you overdid it with our hair. Nope. I sure don't. Because we're going to Beverly Hills. If I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
That turn me up, bro.
Hey, my beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in for another hot tutorial of mine today. This one right here is for no games. This right here is a hot request. You guys are asking me, how did I tuck this side swoop bang? So I'm going to give you detail to detail. Stay tuned. This hair is brought to you by Elfin here. I have 3 bundles of their 14-inch straight hair. Stay tuned. Okay, so this right here is the braid down. I braided the braid in a circle in the back so that when you're sewing, you have something to latch onto. I also have white thread because it makes it easy for your client or whoever that's sitting in your chair to be able to take their hair down. Most people are cutting their hair when they're taking their install out because they cannot see or feel the thread. You will not be able to see this once the hair is installed, but this is a great way to take your hair down once needed.
That turn me up, bro.
Now, this complete look right here is a glueless install with no leave out. It's no leave out because she doesn't have any of her natural hair left out to blend in with the back portion of the hair. Stay tuned to see how I lay my tracks to the point where she doesn't need any back leave out, any natural hair left out. It just keeps your client from having to press or flat iron their hair every day. It's just a very, very good and convenient method and way. Stay tuned.
Yeah, turn me up, bro. Turn me up, bro.
I'm going to add 2 tracks to the front of the bang just to give it a little more fullness so that when you're swooping and molding it, you can avoid a lot of cracks or a lot of holes or spots that might be left in the bang. You don't want a bang like that. You want a full, clean, sleek bang. And if it takes you adding 1 or 2 pieces in there, then that's fine. Now y'all watch closely now. Okay? I'm finna give y'all some game. Now y'all been all in my DMs, all under my comments of the video, asking me how do I tack down this bang. Now, once you got it nice and hard, you then mold the bang, you're actually just gonna pull it behind their ear. The part where the quick weave stops at, you're gonna get a couple open bobby pins and you're gonna tack those down right under that quick weave where that braid is. So that braid, that was that perimeter braid going around that quick weave, you're gonna just tack those pins right up on through there. If it takes you tacking down 10 pins, you're gonna tack it down, you're gonna spray it down. Once you do that, you're gonna make sure it's nice and hard. And this bang should last, I want to say, a week or so before it might kind of buckle up. On the honest note, you're actually going to pull some hair in front of it and look at that, okay? It doesn't come out of place. It doesn't move. You can comb it. You can do whatever. But you have to make sure that you tack those bobby pins down and you hide it. You don't want it to be very visible because it makes it look tacky. So this is the half up, half down, deep side part swoop bang. I hope you guys learned something, if not nothing, and you're welcome. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I love you.